Okay, follow along as I do another Magic E practice dictation. You can follow along and just watch me write the words and sound them out with me, or you can write them with me. Okay, number one today is tape. T-A-P, tape. T-A-P, tape. Tape. Number two, peat. P-E-T, peat. P-E-T, peat. We put a capital P at the beginning because this is somebody's name. Number three, we see a blend at the beginning here. The word is prize. 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 Number four, we see a three-letter blend at the beginning. Scrape. 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 And number five is a two-syllable word. The word is cascade. Cascade. The first syllable, cask. Ass. Ass. I have a short a, says a, cas. The second syllable is cade. K-A-D. Cade. K-A-D. Cade. Long A, magic E. The word is cascade. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Tape, peat, prize, scrape, cascade.